You are Ayurveda Siddha Unani.
Yes,
All
an
right.
Ayurvedic
Why did you stock huge allopathic
That's a
drugs?
huge, that itself is a matter of contention.
That itself is a matter of trial. Huge. For sale only you have kept. When you have no license under allopathy, why did you store so many drugs? One, ಎರಡು, okay. Huge stock of allopathic drugs.
Huge ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾವು ಒಮ್ಮೆ.
ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Out of 30 items, 17 items are creams and ointments, which don't require any prescription. Only 13 lots are portable medicines.
Oh, no, sir. Creams and ointments,
Yes.
many of them are there are derivatives of paracetamol in anti-inflammatory.
Which may not require prescription. Which may not.
They may be over-the-counter tablets, but that does not mean Unani Ayurveda should stock all this.
We should have noticed, my lord, when the search has been conducted, asking for explanation. It is true when you visited there was a holding of stock of allopathic drugs, which I don't have any license.
We have said you have no license.
But I
Admit it.
nowadays, in any even a common man's house would check if these number of medicines.
Then you are saying like old patient is better than a new doctor.
Cosmetics.
You are Siddha and Unani.
Yes.
Why did you keep
Ayur-
allopathy?
Ayurvedic.
Ayurveda Siddha Unani.
Yes,
All
an
right.
Ayurvedic
Why did you stock huge allopathic
That's a
drugs?
huge, that itself is a matter of contention.
That itself is a matter of trial. Huge.
On the face of it,
See, even stock ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು passion ಇಲ್ಲ. For sale only you have kept. When you have no license under allopathy, why did you store so many drugs?
Lords, the factum of sale itself is a question. May I just trouble my lords with page 27?
That's all right, but why did you keep it?
For a moment. Page 27.
No, ಒಂದು, ಎರಡು, okay. Huge stock of allopathic drugs.
Huge ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾವು ಒಮ್ಮೆ.
ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ 30 items ಅಲ್ಲಿ 17
Come
creams
to
and ointments.
page 27.
27.
Yes, sir.
Precisely.
Yes.
But out of 30 items, 17 items are creams and ointments, which don't require any prescription. Only 13 lots are portable medicines. Lots, that would I have
28, 29,
counted. Yes, lots. ಅದು 17
30 item ಇದೆ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 13 items, only 13 items are portable tablets.
No, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ, I've counted it myself. 17 are creams and ointments.
Creams and ointments,
Yes.
many of them are there are derivatives of paracetamol and in anti-inflammatory.
But which may not require prescription. Which may not prescribe.
No, they may be over-the-counter tablets, but that does not mean Unani Ayurveda should stock all this.
No, there is one more lord's aspect to it. Lords, may I just draw my lord's kind attention to page 24. What the Panchayat also says, the Panchayat had rented out this premises to the doctor for free. But the Panchayat certifies my lord that he was carrying on a pro bono practice. He was not even charging.
No.
How? Helter, if my lords were to see page 24. So the element of sale is absent here. But the element of sale is absent here. And then, my lords, there is one ruling of the Honorable Apex Court. Lords, there an occasion arose where, my lords, an amendment brought about to the rules in the state of Punjab.
Rules biಡಿ sir, facts ಹೇಳಿ.
On facts alle. Now the Honorable Apex Court had an occasion, my lords, to examine as to whether, my lords, the non-existence of a qualification, my lords, would be an offense under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act. Otherly, my lords, what the Honorable Apex Court holds, that, my lords, the definition of medical practitioner under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act cannot be a deciding factor. And, my lords, the subject to a state
Yes,
enact-
Jagdish.
We should have noticed, my lord, when the search has been conducted, asking for explanation.
Explanation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಸೀಸ್
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
He says, my lord, it is true when you visited there was a holding of stock of allopathic drugs, which I don't have any license.
Lords, may I just pass on this judgment, my lords? It may have
It's all right, we have said you have no license.
But I
Admit
have no
it.
license. I have no license. But
Well, admit it.
no, I have not. I cannot deny that fact. The only, my lords, issue that I would urge my lords to consider, my lords, is the quantum of the medicine seized. Quantum, my lords, is, I would say, my lords, nowadays in any even a common man's house, my lords, where there are 5 individuals, if my lords would check if these number of medicines.
Then
would
you
be
are
found.
saying like old patient is better than a new doctor. Yes.
13 very, my lords, only 13 are prescriptive drugs. And, my lords, question is, my lords, whether that would, my lords, tantamount to an offense under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act. If my lords were to consider this judgment, my lords, for a moment. And, my lords, the element of sale is absent here. Complaint allu ellu illa, my lords, and the Panchayat also, my lords, they say that, my lords, I am carrying on a pro bono practice.
Pro bono. the petitioner is before this court calling in question proceeding registered for offence so and so. The fulcrum of the allegation against the petitioner is storage of allopathic drugs, notwithstanding the fact that the petitioner has a license or is a Unani, Ayurveda and Siddha doctor. The search led to seizure of certain stock. The seizure is appended to the petition. A perusal at the items that are seized, i.e. the allopathic medicine, most of which are local applications. They are anti-inflammatory or identical to those that would not necessarily need a license, as they are over-the-counter ointments. A few of them are derivatives of paracetamol. It is these that were found in the the petitioner himself has admitted that he has no license to store those drugs. Merely because of that storage or his admission, the offence under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act prima facie could not be laid against the petitioner unless the state would prove otherwise. There shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings by the petitioner till the next date of hearing. Additional SPP, both. The learned counsel with the petitioner at this juncture would submit that he would not iterate the practice of storing allopathic drugs in his hospital, in his clinic. Yes, the undertaking
So
is
great.
placed on record.
So great.
Yes. Next.